Well, hello, folks. I am Wowie, and this is Wowwy'z Workshop with
Operation Woodstash.
Now, due to the noise behind us from the construction on this monstrosity, I had to do a voiceover for the intro. That's okay. Now, if you want to see what's inside, I gotta take you a couple of days back. So come on.
Let's do it.
Now, if you haven't seen the Tool Talkin episode for the Suncast large vertical shed, please go and watch that before so you can see how this bad boy got put together. Now, a busted up old Wowie like me, I'm pretty proud of it. Pretty proud of getting this thing done like this, so please do go watch it. It's truly appreciated. And now, we are going to look through the wood pile. Oh my goodness. There's going to be Spideys. There's going to be... Oh. Look at all the treasures. Okay, I'll put you in the tripod. We'll get going. Do it to it. Now I'm going to start with this piece here that I've been saving to carve. I found this on Cadborough Bay out here on Vancouver Island. Cadborough Bay is home of the Caddy the sea monster. Okay, now it's been seen a lot of times, and it's in stories and folklore. It's been said to live here for a long time. I found it not only on that bay, but look at the shape of it. It is perfect for a sea monster. So that's going to be coming. I'm going to be carving Caddy out of that old root thingy. Some cottonwood bark here, and a really cool piece of arbutus. That arbutus lives out here on Vancouver Island a lot, and in Oregon on the coast. I love arbutus. It's probably one of my most favorite trees. Got that stuff from Geordie. Lots of the stuff in this pile is from Geordie. Look at this cool burl. Hey? I want to make like a weird, like snaily slug creature out of him. Oh man, all of these treasures and Spideys. And this one here with the big knot, with the big old knot hole, I'm going to turn that into a light piece. Going to carve it all out. Well, Doobie's home. She's going to come out here with the fucking fuzzy babies. Yeah. And this stump one here, that's for a watcher, a big watcher. Oh yeah, and then this piece, this slice of burl. Look at that, eh? Get the Spideys off. That's really cool. Good old slab of burl. Huh? That one came from Jordan too. Lots of spider webs now. Now we're getting deeper into the pile. They're all over the place. It's freaking me out, man. Oh yes. This arbutus. I'm going to use my Arbortech ball gouge and make a really wicked succulent planter with that. This old rolling pin. Jesus! Oh man, there's just so many pieces with so many possibilities, And each and every piece that I've stashed here, I had, like a micro vision for them. Just, ideas, possibilities. And I know I'm going to have to purge some of this. It ain't all going to fit in that little woodshed, so I know this in the back of my mind right now. I'm thinking about all that. And another super, super cool piece of arbutus that George gave me. Possible light piece. Look at that, eh? I love the knots, man. So let's just do it to it, man. Get this process over. I know it has to happen. So I'm just in cleaning mode now. Time to get it done. There it is so far. The best pieces that I've put out. It's filling up fast, so I'm gonna have to go get a little shelf. Keep this more organized. But look at this shit show. Most of this is all gonna have to go. Under there was rat frickin' haven. What do you think, Nosy? All sorts of spiders and shit in there. Well, guys, I've been going through it and picking my best pieces out. I want to keep these ones on top here. I got this big bin of little ones, but down here was chewed up old rat fucking. See everything they've done under there? And I still got pieces to go, but I'm gonna have to purge a whole bunch. Oh man, they were chewing up that tarp. It's about damn time to get this all cleaned up. And over here are my best pieces that I've been putting over in the shed, but I'm gonna go buy a little plastic shelf so I can at least have them a bit better organized. That's where we are so far on Operation Woodpile. Woodshed. All right. And you know how it is when you get cleaning and organizing, you get on a roll. You get rolling. So I bought this thing. This is for the DeWalt tools to all slide into, and I'm going to put it up in the creation station. So I did this as well while I'm doing all of this other stuff. I had to screw that plywood in there into the studs and then hang the shelf on the plywood because the holes weren't lining up in the shelf to the studs and, you know, the fuckery, all of the fuckery involved. But I got her up there. And this is going to be perfect for all my DeWalt tools and just keep everything organized. I'm happy with that. And now this, it is really strange, but after doing all of this, the yard just kind of clicked into this very zen, peaceful mode. It's actually quite beautiful.
All of the people say, hey, what's going on today? Down in Wowwy'z Workshop, where we use art each day to chase the blues away. Down in Wowwy'z Workshop, to you by two brothers, one vision.
Yeah, and here we are, folks. It's time for the final reveal. Let's do this. Here she is, you guys. I bought that little shelf for $29.99 at Canadian Tire. Look at that. So we got our yard tools in there. And this Suncast makes these so that you can buy like tool racks that you can screw in there to hang your tools and shovels and stuff off of. So I might get those. But look at this. Everything is organized and easily I can get at them all. I know which pieces are on what shelf. It is just finally done and clean and organized. Hi, Noni. Oh, man, I'm so stoked, you guys. Look at that. Ha-ha! We did her! We frickin' did her. And I know my fellow wood weirdo carvers out there, they understand. This is my precious. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching, as always. There is no YouTube without you. And we got more videos coming, so prepare for those. And thanks again for coming along on
Operation Wood Stash.
Much love, everybody. Thanks for watching.
All of the people say, hey, what's going on today? Down in Wowwy'z Workshop.